Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and best. I completed that our attendance and very interesting and important lesson. That is only about our electricity. Yes. And what is that? Electricity and current and its effects. Our lesson name is electricity. Okay, and current and its effects. Yeah. Electricity, current and its effects. How will take this? What is electricity? You know very well what is the use of our electricity. Yes. Without electricity, it is impossible to live nowadays. No. Why? Because now our mobile is working based on electricity only, and the TV is working based on electricity only. Morning, the water, bath purpose, whatever we are collected that water by the bore, otherwise from that pumping, everything is compulsory. We need electricity. Without the electricity, is it possible to do our works properly? No, it is not possible to do this our works, all the works, whatever they are around us. Okay, clear or not, all students? Computers working with electricity only. Once imagine if in case electricity is not there for a 2 to 3 years, 2 to 3 days at last, how our life, fans, lights, some of what our students are given, everything is, it is not working now. Yeah, that is why very important for us. Yes, without electricity we can't imagine our life. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, not in a comfort we are not living in our life. Okay, yeah, that's why the electricity is nowadays very important, and as well as there is how this electricity is generated, how this electricity is coming, what is the properties are influenced that electricity, and what the instrument we are used to produce electricity. Okay, clear or not all this? These all the things we have to go to discuss. Here in our textbook there is a one situation, it may arise for you also. There is a what we are at the time of a preparation we are going to read. At that time suddenly the current gone. We are searching for what? We are searching in case inverter light. Otherwise we are searching for the torch. Okay, now you know very well how the torch is working, and as well as in your 6th class also you are already there about how our torch is working. Torch is working based on the batteries. Okay, clear or not, all of you? The batteries are only working as here. Yes, produce electricity to that blow the bulb. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, and how these batteries are working and what is there inside it. Okay, now if possible to take, is it possible to make our own battery? Yes, yes, that is only we have to go to discuss today, and if possible tomorrow I want to show you how to prepare our own cell. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And first we are going to discuss how to prepare battery, and how to prepare our own cell, and as well as there is a what is there in our what is parts are there in our dry cell, and yes, how it is works. That is only once we have to go to discuss today. If possible, we'll go with the simple electric circuit also. Okay, and in this our lesson there is a circuit diagrams, and as well as series and parallel connection of batteries and bulbs. Okay, now these all the things are there. The same thing again contained in your 10th class also. Mathematically the explanations are there here, and there is one more thing is also there, that is the heating the effect of electric current, and how there is our meter working, and how do we calculate our current bill. These all the things are there in our lesson. What is there in our lesson of electricity? Yes, lot of components, interesting components are there. Okay, what is that lot of interesting components? No. There is what is electricity, and how will be generated, and how will make own cell, and as well as what is the parts are there in a battery. Okay, clear or not all the students? Which battery? Dry battery, and how to be connected the battery in the our electric circuit, and what is the electric circuit, what is the components in the electric circuit, how we connected that electric circuit in a parallel and as well as in a series. Okay, clear or not all of you? And how our electric meter works, and how our electric heater works. Okay, now how much current bill may come for our electrical consumers. These all the interesting components are there. Very interesting lesson. Don't miss it. Okay, now yes. Now we are going into our lesson. Okay, first concept is how can make your own cell. Make your own cell. All the students try yourself, but it is compulsory. You have to take here. Compulsory. You have to take here precautions. Why? Because here compulsory we have to take here one of the acid is required, and strong acid is required for us. That's why we care about that acid. Okay, now yes. Now what the things are required to make our own cell? What the things are required here? First, you have to take somewhat injection bottles. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, you take that injection bottles and then cut 3 centimeters of long bits of copper wire. Okay, clear or not all of you? Use a sandpaper to scrap about 1 centimeter of the coating of both ends of the wire. Break and open a discharged dry cell and remove the outer metal covering made by the zinc. Cut it is into the 2 mm wide and 3 centimeter long zinc strip from the zinc plate and the copper strip from the copper plates. Okay, clear or not all the students? You have to take here the one. Yes, first you have to take here, yes, any of plastic things, injection bottles. Here you have to take injection bottles. Injection bottles you have to take here. Just a minute. Okay, we have to do this. Just 2 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes. How to make our own cell. Okay. Yes, students, these are the instruments we have to require to do that our make our own cell. Yes, what are the requirements here? One take it here. Okay, now the two bottles like this they have to take here. Yes, there is the H2SO4 we have to require, and there is one of the light bulb is required here like this. Already it is connected with the wires, and here there is we are taken a wires like this you have to cut. Yes, and you have to take the two bottles and you take this is the acid. Okay, now yes, and there is what you collected metal strips from these batteries. Okay, here are not all the strips. You broke this battery and just you take outer layer only. This outer layer, or otherwise you take this is the zinc actually. Got it or not? This is the zinc. This is the totally this one, this outer layer. Now for our second tactic purpose, there is we want to rotate it at that time and shown you. This is the zinc, and this is only the copper. I want to take this is the copper strip. You have to take this what actually the two in the form of a strips you have to take here. I am not available the strips now. Just when tomorrow we will conduct this experiment. These are the instruments we have to require. Okay, here are not all the students. I hope we got it. There is a what the things are required for us. You require the things like this. One is the one here. One is the bottles. On any bottle, you can take any bottles, not a problem. And you take a strips here. There is a like this copper strip, and another one. When you are broke it is the whatever the material is looking at the bottom top. That is a zinc made by the zinc. This is the become zinc. This is the copper. And next we have to take water. Sorry, not water. It will be what actually it is the acid. Okay, but acid you have to pour into these two bottles. Okay, and connected with this, they are put these metals. What the metal? Zinc and the copper metals you have to take inside. And then you connected that wires to that metals, and the bulb may close. That is only your cell. It is made your cell like this. Tomorrow we have to do these things. Okay, clear? Yes, very good. We want to cut this all the things and all everything, and we require one more material. That is only copper material is required for us. Not it looks like copper. Yes, tomorrow we will go through this. I hope you got it. What the instruments are there here? What the instruments are required for us? Got it? Yeah. Once again, you have to go check with our whatever name your own cell. Yes, what we have to take the injection bottles. You have to take here, and you cut the copper wire. That is what we have to take here. How many copper wires? 3 copper wires. 3 copper. 3 copper wire bit. 3 copper wire bits are required for us, and the sandpaper. Okay, now yes, for the scan about 1 centimeter of that coating of the both ends of copper wires. Break and open the discard dry cell. Now we are going to discuss that one only. Yes, that will be give the one zinc plate. One zinc strip we required. Zinc strip we required. Okay, then next again one more thing. Here what we required, one more strip is also required, that is a copper strip we required. Copper strip also we required, and then after lead light is also required. Okay, clear or not all of you? Lead light is also required, and H2SO4, that is acid. H2SO4, that is the sulfuric acid, is also required for us. Clear or not all the students? What is required? Sulfuric acid. Once again I repeat it, you should compulsory take the precautions. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, you take the precautions for it. Why? Because the sulfuric acid is dangerous to our body. That's why only you have to should take the precautions. Okay, clear or not all the students? Sulfuric acid we have to take here. Yeah, this is only about our requirements for the making the make your own cell purpose. Got it or not all the students? Once again I repeat it, listen carefully. Injection bottles and 3 copper wire bits and zinc strips and copper strips and lead lights and sulfuric acid. Okay, clear or not all of you? And now there is, you have to take the bottles like this. Listen carefully. Yes, you take the bottles like this. In this one you fill, there is a first, there is a what? H2SO4. In this one, these two things you have to take H2SO4 here. It is H2SO4 and it is also H2SO4. You fill up to here. Yes, acid is filled in this. Then next you take the what? Copper strip and zinc strip. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, you take here the copper strip and as well as the zinc strip. In the both, the totally how many? 4 you have to take here. Yes, there is each 4 strips you have to take here. Got it? Now there it will be connected with the wires. Okay, bit of wires you connected, and here first you connected these 2 things with one wire, and this is with the another copper wire, this is with another copper wire. Clear or not all the students? And these are again connected to the what? It is connected to the one lead bulb. Okay, clear or not all of you? One of the lead bulb you have to take here, you connect it like this. Here it is a what here? Sulfuric acid you have to take here. Here also sulfuric acid you have to take here. And these 2 are the metal strips we have to take here. These 2 are also metal strips we have to take here. And 3 connecting wires you have to take. One is for here for one terminal. Another one is here, another one is here. 3 terminals, 3 wires we have to take connected like this. Okay, and automatically the bulb is glows. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, the bulb is glows, and it is there is no meter is working here. No, our electricity is not taken from the our switch boards. We are only made these things. Okay, now yes, how it is possible? Yeah, there is a what? Electrolysis process is going on here. There is this, whatever the strips are there, the strips are contain electrons. Okay, clear or not all of you students? The strips are contain electrons. The electrons are, okay, now when we immersed these plates inside it, one is a positive plate, another one is a negative plate. Copper is a contain negative electrode, work as negative electrode. Zinc is a work as a positive electrode, and there is a, when you take here inside of this electrolyte substance, this is a called what actually? Electrolyte substance, electrolyte solution. That our whatever our acid it is there, it is a works as electrolyte solution. It is a produces, there is a what H plus ions and SO4 minus ions, and because of that there is a what whatever the charges are contained on the surface of this particular zinc and as well as the copper are also enter into the solution, and suppose it is a positive thing. Yes, from the positive to the negative, the current will be moves. The positive terminal to the negative current terminal, the electrons are moves here. Yes, otherwise the negative terminal to the positive terminals, they are not electrons, we call the charges here. The charges are moves from the where positive to the negative. Why? Because opposite charges are attracted. Yes, here you know very well already. Opposite charges are attracted. Similar charges are repelled. In this way, there is a what we are connected indirectly negative to the positive. Yes, and positive to the negative. In this way, there is whatever opposite charges are there, they want to attract with one another. For this purpose, the charges are flow from one place to the another place. That flow is only called electricity. Electricity is nothing but what, Nana? Flow of charges. Flow of charges is only called what? Electricity. Okay, now here every substance is contain the charge, you know very well already. Okay, now already I am given this information. Every substance is contained what actually inside it somewhat charges are there. The charges are flow from one place to the another place, and that is only called electricity. When we arrange one particular direction, when we arrange a particular instrumental setup, that is only called what actually, that is only called current source. That current source is possible to make by own in this method. It is a very important. First you require what the material to make it is. What the material to make it is required? Injection bottles or any other plastic bottles you have to take, it is a better. And as well as you take 3 copper wire bits for connecting that electrodes, otherwise connecting that strips. And next you take 2 strips, compulsory, not take a similar strips, different strips you have to take. One is a zinc strip, another one is a copper strip. Then next you take lead light also you have to take. Then next you have to take electrolyte solution like this H2SO4. And you all take it is in a one some particular bottles. Here you take in this bottle. Okay, clear or not all of you? And you connected these 2 things by the electrodes. Okay, clear or not all of you? And here one thing, Nana, you compulsory don't take the connection of these 2 strips. You arrange it separate with one another compulsory. Okay, don't make it is in touch with one another. You should compulsory separate with one strip with the another strip. At that time only it is possible to flow the current from one place to the another place. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah. Yes? Understood or not all the students? I hope you understood. And you take all these things, make like this arrangement, our bulb may glows like this it is. Okay now? Yes, if possible tomorrow I want to take this. Okay, this is about our make of our own cell. Okay now? Yes. And now, before going to this, we have to know in the torch what we are used. In the torch we are used the dry cells. You know very well about this. What is the dry cell and what the components are contained inside it? Once we have to go to check here. What is the dry cell? Okay, once we have to go to discuss what is the dry cell. Okay, yeah. Yeah, now there is what it is there in the dry cell. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah, once check here. There is a diagram of the dry cell is a very important. First we are going with the diagram. Then after will we go with that our what is the dry cell and how it will be works. Okay, this is the dry cell we are taking here. Here we are taking it as a one of the metal cap. One of the metal cap. You have to take here one of the metal cap, and here it is a contained as a seal. It is contained as a seal. It is a contained as a zinc container. Zinc container. And as well as there is aluminum chloride placed here, it will be there. Sorry, ammonium chloride paste. Here there is, it is a contain somewhat a carbon powder. Yes, and as well as there it is a contain a carbon rod. Carbon rod. Okay, clear or not all the students? And it is outer cover. That is simply it is outer cover. This is the construction of dry cell. Okay, once I want to go to show what is the parts are there here. Once you take it is only called a dry cell or not? It is only called a dry cell. Once check it here. On the dry cell, what will be there? Okay, this is the outer cover actually. This is totally outer cover. This is outer cover. Okay, this whatever the red color thing is there, that is called outer cover. And once check it here, one of the metal strip will be available on this particular place. Okay, when we broke it inside it, then it will be there like this one rod will be get for us. And as well as there is a what here. Between that there is one solution will be there. Once we have to go to check here. Once check all the students, already I am broken this cell. This is the what actually, this is the outer shell. Got it or not all the students? This is the outer shell it will be contains. And once check it here, this black color rod, whatever the rod it will be there, it is only this carbon rod here. Okay, once I want to show you that one also. Once observe students, there is a simply, okay now, yes, this is the whatever this contain the what actually, like a carbon. Yeah, this one is what? This one is totally zinc here. It is a what here? It is this metal, whatever the metal, one shake it here. These all are, this white color thing is there na, it is a zinc metal. And now one shake here. Yeah, this is the what actually? This is the rod. Which rod? There is it is a carbon rod. Its work as a positive. For this one, what will be available? One shake it here. There is this black type of carbon powder available, and around it there is a what? This is the what it will be contain what? One shake it here. Here it is a chemical actually. This chemical is in the form of a what actually? Carbon rod it will be there, and this totally it is a which one? This chemical of ammonium chloride paste it is. One shake it here. It looks like a one paste it will be, and as well as it is a contain the what? Some amount of a yes carbon powder is also there. It is surrounded by which thing? It is surrounded by this rod. Which rod it is? It is a carbon rod. Okay, it is made by the carbon only. And this is the what actually? This is a zinc strip actually. Got it or not all the student? It is a what? It is a zinc strip, this white color. These are only the parts like this we arranged and we covered by that metal. Okay now? Yes, what zinc metal and a positive metal it is a contain for it, and as well as it is a contain yes this rod, and it's shielded by the things. This is only works as a what actually for our dry cell. I hope you got it. Yes, this is the rod. Which one? It is a metal. It is connected to the metal cap. At the top there is a one cap will be there now. Before that, before the broken edges, there is a what? It will be contain a cap, and this is the carbon powder, and as well as there is it is a contain as a carbon powder and somewhat chemical combination like a ammonium chloride paste, and about that there is a zinc plate will be there. Okay now, and this is a totally zinc plate covered, yes, and everyone is insulated by the plastic inside it. Okay, in this way only we are going to discuss about our yes whatever our battery. Tomorrow we'll go with the clear information about this how there is a battery, this dry battery is working, and how our make cell working. Got it? Yes, and this is only about today's class students. Bye, take care.